OnPassive is a mountain mover. Moving the giant mountains of despair and heartache. Moving mountains of hunger and pain. OnPassive is clearing the path to make it easier to navigate on the internet. No longer will there be mountains of confusion about what to do and how to do it. OnPassive will provide the how to do it, by doing the how to do it for them. With those mountains being eliminated, users on the internet will have a clear path to what OnPassive offers them. A pathway to peace and prosperity. A pathway to success never imagined by the users of OnPassive Products. OnPassive is not an ordinary company. It is a company that is unmatched by any other companies. People will be surprised by how uncomplicated making money will be when they allow OnPassive to become a part of their lives. OnPassive will make the internet safe to use. OnPassive will move mountains of debt from its founders. That will be a glorious time for all of us. Come on 2021. Mr. Ashmafare and staff will make it happen. OnPassive relentless marches on. Nothing or no one can stop it. We are riding the crest of something so incredible that most will not understand. We founders understand. It warms the hearts of all founders in OnPassive to be a part of this massive mission to rescue those crying out for help. OnPassive is going to make a difference in the lives of countless millions to have a better life for themselves. We are blessed to have as OnPassive's creator and CEO Mr. Ashmafare. He is a visionary who decided to give something that benefits everyone who becomes a part of OnPassive. Mr. Mafare has given this enormous gift called OnPassive. OnPassive is designed with heart. No other company can truthfully make that statement but OnPassive. Founders in OnPassive let us do all we can to support Mr. Mafare and the team by being positive and believing that OnPassive is a done deal. John White, USA. A Bill Must production.